Access thousands of parts for engine rebuild application with Enginetech's online catalog and product ordering system. Finding the right part has never been so easy. Search by engine type, year, and size. Easily manage multiple carts, control product pricing, set custom profit margins, and have access to one of the largest engine rebuilders resources for quality parts. This how-to guide will help you do all this and more. Let's get started. The first step toward using our powerful online tools is to register as a new user. To access Enginetech's inventory, consisting of parts for thousands of quality import and domestic rebuild applications, you first need to visit Enginetechcatalog.com, click on the Login tab, and then click on the link to register as a new user. Here, you will enter your Enginetech account number, create a password, list your first name, business name, and email address. When done, just click Save. Now that you have set up your Enginetech account and registered as a new user, you can begin browsing our online catalog. To log in, visit www.enginetech.com and navigate to the Login tab at the top of the homepage. After you log in on this page, you will be able to access your profile, settings, and offers. You will also be able to view product pricing and shop online, access Enginetech's custom quote pricing system, chat with a live sales professional, access full technical resources provided by our on-site engineers, customize and order engine kits, and more. It's all waiting for you in the catalog. Did you know you can search for engine parts by vehicle year, make, model, and engine? From the home page, navigate to the Search for Engine Parts by Year tab in the top menu bar. From this page, select the year of your vehicle, the make, model, and engine size to generate a list of available parts for this application. This search will generate a list including a thumbnail image, description, part number, year, special notes, and price. You can also add items directly to your cart on this page by clicking on the green cart icons. Clicking on each specific part number will open a new page that provides important product details, such as part image, dimensions, price, and availability. Scrolling down, you will see other engine types this part will fit. From here, you can also add the product to your shopping cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. Once you add items to your shopping cart, you can click View Cart to review your selected items and check out. Did you know you can create multiple carts for different jobs? Just separate them by job number. Did you know you can search for engine parts by engine type and size? From the home page, navigate to the Search for Engine Parts by Engine tab in the top menu bar. From this page, select the vehicle make, then in the second column, select the engine size. The search will generate a list including a thumbnail image, description, part number, year, special notes, and price. You can also add items directly to your cart on this page by clicking on the green cart icons. From here, you can add the product to your shopping cart by clicking on the green cart icon, or you can click on each product number to see more details about a specific part. If you know the part number you are looking for, whether it's a competitor's part number or an Enginetech part number, you can enter it here. This feature allows you to cross-reference competitor part numbers with Enginetech part numbers. The search will generate the part number and provide important product details such as part image, dimensions, price, availability, and other engine types this part will also fit. From here, you can add the product to your shopping cart, review your shopping cart, and check out. Did you know you can create multiple carts for different jobs? Just separate them by job number. Enginetech's online catalog is available to customers 24/7. You can search our catalog for parts by engine year, engine type, or by using our parts interchange search feature. Placing an order is easy. Simply log into your account at enginetechcatalog.com/login, search for the engine parts you need, and add them to your shopping cart. You'll be asked to create a PO number. Your PO number can be whatever you like, helping you keep track of your orders with ease. Need to call us for any reason? You can reach Enginetech representative quickly during business hours at 1-800-869-8711. Our customer service team is standing by to take your call. Requesting a quote is simple through our online catalog. Simply add items to your shopping cart, then click on View Cart to the right of your screen to review your selections. In this window, you will see 3 tabs at the top. One for your current order, one to request a quote, and one for returns. You will click on the second tab, titled Request a Quote. This window will ask you to input information including your RFQ number. Your RFQ number is the same as your PO number, which you created in your shopping cart. From your shopping cart window, you will see 3 tabs at the top. One for your current order, one to request a quote, and one for returns. You will click on the third tab, titled Return. This window will ask you to input information including your ET reference number and customer return number. Your ET reference number is the same as your PO number from your original order. Inputting this information helps our customer service team relate the return to your original order. You will also be asked to fill in the part number, quantity, reason for return, and any notes you wish our customer service team to receive about the return. Once you have filled in all the required information, scroll to the bottom of the form and click Submit. Did you know that you can drop ship orders directly from our online catalog? Simply add items to your shopping cart and view cart. You will see a Drop Ship To link displayed in red towards the bottom of your cart summary window. Click on this link. A new window will open that allows you to enter the address of the customer who will receive the shipment. Enter the information and click Save Address. Once you have done this, complete the checkout process as normal to submit the order.